All right, welcome to SEPAM. We are looking at question number 6. And question number 6 is image formed by converging lens. Figure 6.1 show 18 converging lens used to produce a magnified image of object AB. This object here placed at a distance less than the focal length of the lens. 6A. Explain the meaning of the term principal focus and focal length. I will explain it later. Let's go and solve the B first. On diagram 6.1, draw the magnified image of AB. Show your working. So I'm going to use question 6B to answer question 6A. All right, so let's go to question 6B. So let's draw the ray diagram. So for you to, first of all, we're going to look at what is the meaning of, so we take a rail that is parallel to, the principal axis. So from the top of the object, parallel to the principal axis. So this rail, on passing through the lens, is refracted through the principal focus, that is F2. So this rail that passes through F2, this point here, where the ray crosses the principal axis, is called the principal focus. So the principal focus is a point where ray parallel to the principal axis converges after passing through the lens. So I can take another one, assuming there was another ray at the bottom coming. If the ray comes here parallel to the principal axis, so on passing through the lens, it will pass also through the principal focus. So this is what we call the principal focus. Then the distance between the principal focus and the center of the lens is called the focal length. All right. So now let's draw complete the ray diagram. We now have a ray. So let me remove the one from the bottom. Okay. Now the ray diagram. A ray that passes from the top of the object through the center of the lens. Okay. If you look at the right hand side, the ray is diverging, is getting wider. So it's likely that it will converge on the left hand side. So what we need to do is to extrapolate the line. So let's extrapolate the line. So I need a broken line. So we're going to extrapolate this line. Then also extrapolate this line. So where the two converges, we didn't get that one. It has to be straight. Okay. Sorry. So let's take the extrapolation again. So I will extrapolate this. Then also extrapolate the blue one. So where the two cross, so this is where the image is formed. So this is the image I, and then this is the object. Okay, now how is the 4 mark awarded? So for doing this one here, so for drawing this ray parallel to the principal axis refracted to the focus, you get 1 mark, M1. Then for extrapolating A1, answer. Then for showing the image, you have 1 mark. And then a ray that passes through the center of the lens, you have another mark. So this is how the 4 marks are awarded. So let's go and answer the question 6A. So what is the principal focus? Principal focus is where rays parallel to the principal ray parallel to the principal axis are converged after passing through the lens. All right. Then the focal length is the distance between the center of the lens and the principal focus. So, so this is the 6 mark for question number 6.